Chances are you have some of this in your kitchen right now. But what if I told you that humble, kind of knobby piece of ginger root is way more than just a spice for your stir-fry? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the hidden power of ginger, a root that's been shaping both health and flavor for centuries.
So what's the deal here? Is it just another common ingredient with a nice little kick? Or is it a seriously potent form of ancient medicine just hiding in plain sight in your vegetable drawer? Well, let's find out.
And you know what's amazing? The answer is, it's absolutely both. For literally thousands of years, cultures all across the globe have been reaching for ginger, not just for its incredible warming flavor, but as their go-to remedy for a whole list of ailments. It has this rich global history as a cornerstone of traditional medicine.
Okay, so that's the history, right? But what about now? What does modern science have to say about it? In this first part, we're going to dig into the specific evidence-backed reasons why a simple cup of ginger tea might just be one of the best things you can do for your body.
So, just how many benefits are we talking about here? Well, the source material we're looking at highlights 10. That's right, 10 distinct, science-backed reasons to love this stuff. Come on, that is a pretty impressive resume for a simple kitchen spice, don't you think? All right, let's start with what it's most famous for. Ginger is an absolute superstar for your stomach. You know that queasy feeling? Whether it's from a bumpy car ride or morning sickness, ginger's got your back. It also helps your stomach process things a little faster, which is key to stopping that awful, uncomfortable bloating. And here's one that might surprise you. It can even help soothe your muscles after a tough workout. Now, this is where things get really fascinating. Let's talk about inflammation. You can kind of think of it like your body's internal alarm system going off. Well, ginger acts like a natural firefighter, helping to calm that response down. By doing that, it can do incredible things, like significantly reducing menstrual pain. We're talking in some studies as effectively as an over-the-counter painkiller. Plus, there's growing evidence it plays a real role in managing blood sugar. So what's the secret sauce here? It all comes down to a powerful compound called gingerol. This is the main event. Gingerol is a powerful antioxidant that acts like a little bodyguard for your cells, protecting them from damage. And that, in turn, boosts your immune system, helps your body fight off infections, and might even help lower cholesterol. It's a true wellness hero on a molecular level.
All right, so I'm guessing you're probably sold on the why. So let's pivot to the how. And trust me, you're going to be surprised at just how ridiculously easy it is to make all these benefits a part of your daily routine. This is your simple step-by-step guide. And just look at this list. This is what I love about it. It's so accessible. The core recipe is literally just two things: fresh ginger and water. That's it. Everything else, that's your playground. You can customize it with a splash of lemon for some brightness, a little honey for sweetness, or even a pinch of turmeric to make it a supercharged anti-inflammatory brew. And the process itself? Oh, it could not be simpler. First, just wash and slice your ginger. And hey, here's a great little time saver. You don't even have to peel it. Just toss those slices into a pot with some water, bring it to a boil, and then just lower the heat and let it simmer away for about 10 to 15 minutes. Pour it through a strainer into your favorite mug, and you are done. Okay, and here is a fantastic pro tip for you. If you're like me and you really love that spicy, fiery ginger kick, and you want a more potent brew, the secret is just time. Let it simmer longer. 20 minutes, even more, will create a much stronger, more concentrated tea. Just experiment and find the strength that's perfect for you.
And really, that's what this all boils down to, isn't it? The best recipe isn't some secret formula. The perfect cup is the one that you dial in to your own taste. Whether you like it mild and sweet or strong and spicy, the power is in your hands.
So let's just zoom out for a second and bring this all together. We've seen the incredible science. We've seen how simple it is to prepare. So now let's reframe this from a one-time recipe into a really powerful daily ritual for your overall well-being.
If you take one thing away from our entire explainer today, please let it be this: that small, simple, almost effortless act of brewing and sipping a cup of ginger tea, well, it's a habit that can have a surprisingly powerful and positive ripple effect on how you feel day in and day out. So, I'll just leave you with this to think about. We've seen the science, we've seen how easy it is, so what's one small way that adding a daily cup of ginger to your routine could make a real difference for you?